Hello and welcome. This is a new lesson in which I'm going to show you how you can get Photoshop for free. Basically, what you need to do is go to your web browser and write photo PEA and then write .com. As you can see, this is basically an advanced image editor. And when you see the user interface for the first time, you can directly notice that it's an exact match of Adobe Photoshop. Now, as you can see, it has a lot of components, and even if you created an account by clicking here, they even have a animation feature. So let's do the very same things we did before, which is image removal stuff, using this, let's say, browser-based Photoshop. Click File, Open, and I will go and open up an image. Let's select this image. Let's crop it just like in Adobe Photoshop. Let's crop this side. Hit the enter button. As you can see now, it's cropped. Now you can select the spot healing brush and you can simply start removing objects. I will increase the brush size by clicking in the brush right here and simply increase the size. Now you can simply select these objects, hide this, and you can remove all of them. Simply click once on any object and it will be removed. As you can see, it's just like on Adobe Photoshop, an exact match of what we got in the full version of Adobe Photoshop without even having to download this version or this software on our desktop or laptop computer. All what you need to do is go to their website and write Photopia. You can create an account. I'm using the free version. I haven't created an account, and everything, as you can see, is working like a charm. Simply click the object and it will be removed. Now, as you can see, I just click once and the object is gone. Now let's remove this one, this one, this one, and this one. It's like magic. Now you can use other tools as well, but this is the website that I go to when I'm in a rush and I want to use Photoshop without downloading or installing anything on my computer. Thanks for watching this lesson. See you next.